24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Tell them how you come to school, by car or van. Then ask the children to take turns and tell how they come to school. Ask them to use complete sentences. Now, show the picture of a vase and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of the children may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a thing. It is red or any color, and its name is vase. Ask the children if they can tell about the use of a vase. You may get mixed responses. Tell them that vases are used for decoration and we put flowers in them. Now show to the class the picture of a van and frame the questions like you have asked about the vase. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of the letter V and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize the letter V, learn its related vocabulary, and trace the capital letter V with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
V, 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 V. How many V's can I see? How many V's can I see? There's V for violets in the vase, V for vans found here and there, V for voice heard everywhere. V, 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 V.
Write the letter V on the writing board. Tell the children that this is capital letter V and it says V. Say the sound of the letter V. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound.
V, violin. V, violin. V, violin. V, violin.
Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of the letter V activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter V on the first 3 lines and give instructions. Start from the red point. Slide down. And bounce back up again. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter V with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter V in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize V. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter V can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.